let's go get my car. Hey baby. Yeah, I'm coming to take my car after 3 months now. For the first time, gonna go to the new shop. Hey baby. Wow, you're super dirty. 더러워. 진짜 더러워. Let's fire it up. It's gonna be super loud. Oh my goodness. Baby, you're too loud. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone doing great. Today I'm going to work on Porsche Boxster 981 GTS model. I think it's 2015, and if you can see behind me, last night I took my baby to the new place and then today cleaned up. Let me show you. You can see my baby boy got clean, and let me show you. Most lovely part of the R8 and Huracan is that engine bay. V10 Plus, and can see all the carbon. Looks so sexy. Anyway, I'm going to work on this Porsche Boxster, and the part I need to remove, like spoiler, door handle, side mirror, bumper, those are things need to remove, and then I start to clean the car, make it ready for new wrap. And 오늘 Porsche Boxster GTS 전체 랩핑입니다. Okay, before the start, because I'm going to remove the part, please subscribe the channel, turn on all the notifications so you're not going to miss any new video, and please give me the like and 지금 subscribe 주세요. Removing the Porsche door trim from 2014 or 15 until now, all the Boxster and then Cayman and plus 991 911 Porsche all gonna be same to remove the door trim. First you have the one cup here. You need to remove this one with the tools remover. with the trim remover. See, the reason not coming out because they put the silicone here. This car, I think, been in accident, and then I don't know, camera can catch it or not. It's having two like this, but they put the silicone here. I don't know for what reason, because the keys looks fine. Anyway, and then we will have another top here. This one, and if you see this airbag sign here, you have to remove it. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Size star shape, torque 30. Bolt 4개 있어요. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. And then size torque 30. Remove those. And then after that, first push this pin, and then it's gonna come out by itself. Okay? And then bottom. And then slide it to the up. I hope they didn't put the silicone here too. Ooh, a sponge, silicone. Then so this is how you can remove the door trim. And then if you want to know how to remove the door handle and then side mirror, I already made the video. I'm gonna put it, I don't know, here or here, link it, so you can go and then check it out how to remove the totally that piece, and then door side mirror, and also door. The color I'm going to wrap, it's new film from the Avery, new color. It's somehow is purple, somehow is blue, but for me looks like, I can't say, eggplant color. Interesting. And since it's the new film, just launching maybe 2 months ago, I'm gonna first try the door. Where is the door? Okay, this one is good, and then see how it's working. And actually I forgot the name. What is that? Oh, here. Gloss metallic mysterious indigo, mysterious. I hope I pronounce it well. Anyway, is it this color? And so let's wrap it. Let's go for door. Okay guys, Boxer almost finished, just the rear bumper and then windshield frame, plus door handle, side mirror, and then that little guy spoiler left, and then the Stinger came, because he got the accident on the both side skirt, and also front fender and front bumper need to be changed today. So I'm not going to work on the Boxster tonight and gonna start work on the Stinger. I'm gonna take the video together for the fender. Let's take a look at that sexy Boxster. I really like that color. Can you see? From here, bumper is blue, but hood purple. This is not color shift. I say again, this is not color shift. Okay, that is totally different. Look at that. But Avery film is not clear like in Aztec, and then actually get worse and worse every time. But look at that, how it looks nice. If you wanna check the corner edges, all tucked in. Window is one piece. People are cut here 1, 2, 3, but we usually do the one piece. That's the side mirror, fully wrapped inside too, and then also that side mirror noisy. So look at it. It became more nice than before, and I wrapped it under the need the spoiler also. Hey guys, I hope you liked my video, and then if you like it, smash the like button for me, and important, don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the all the notification to not miss any of my new video. And actually in this video I show you guys how to wrap the Stinger fender, and then also how to remove the door trim of the Porsche. So I hope it helping you guys, and that's all. I'm gonna come back soon. See you next time. Bye.